I'm frying. But I don't know what is this actually. It's kind of vegetarian chicken. Vegetarian chicken.
Vegetarian chicken.
Vegetarian chicken, yeah. Is that what?
Roll.
Huh?
Roll.
Roll? Oh yes!
Chicken roll.
Chicken roll.
But
Yeah.
vegetarian, yeah.
Yeah, but it's a vegetarian. And then we can use this to make salad?
To make this
Salad.
yes,
Ah.
and make with some
Herbs.
this one.
Some herb. Onion?
Onion
Okay.
and some mint.
Mint. Ah, you got mint today. You got mint today.
Noodle.
It's kind of noodles. We have
Noodle.
many different
And
noodles here.
We have a lot of
Let me try. Be careful. Okay, I will. It's much better. Can I?
yes.
See. You can put this here. Perfect. Okay, I can do this for you. You won't get hurt. No, I love my body, so I won't.
To remove water.
Yes.
Yeah. How you
I can
remove
do it
water
faster.
in Vietnam?
It's why it's smaller and smaller.
I'm learning how to use these
Yeah.
sticks of stick.
You want to try?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yay.
Perfect. I think it's upside down because it's already turned brown here. It's some brown here.
Well, water to answer
Good.
in just one day.
Just in one. No, not one day. Just some minutes.
So 2 hours.
Yeah, just a few
Half an
hours.
hour.
Yeah. Hey, look! Come on! Wait, why? I don't think that Lynn would happy with this one. Not this one.
Mushroom.
Can you find me some plates that I can put the
The paper.
the paper? Okay, that's cool.
Paper.
Do you need any help? Okay, you can bring it there. Thank you.
Some seasoning.
Okay, it's enough. Two.
These are mushroom, right?
Yes, mushroom.
I'm now the chef. In just half an hour. Now,
It's
okay.
okay. It's okay.
Okay.
You pour into the bowl.
And this?
Put in this. We make the soup for the bánh canh.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, this is for bánh canh.
Bánh canh.
Bánh canh.
Can you boil it now?
Yes, we wait until it boils.
Okay.
The water boils.
How many minutes?
I think it's 3 or 4 minutes.
3, 4.
Put here. Okay.
Should be a side direction. Look. Hopefully it will be open when I try it.
Okay, now I can see.
Yeah.
One,
Dip.
fold,
Fold.
This one.
Okay.
Okay. I wanna do a new one.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing.
One
Yeah.
Like this.
It made it. I thought it is okay. It's the way that I do it. Like I always do it.
You
Yeah.
like wrong way.
Yeah, I just roll it. Yeah, I do it.
I'm showing.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Oh,
Good.
wow.
Yours?
Excellent.
Yeah. Really, I always do like the way that I show you. Yes.
No.
We have to put it
See,
here.
poquito more, roll it.
It's too much.
too much.
One
Too
spoon.
much.
One spoon.
Yeah,
One
it's too
of-
much.
There. You wanna do?
It's a rice paper.
She's been doing like a machine. You know what? For some reason, like so no, it's poquito.
Without what I do, you like this, and then I
Press. Ah. Good. Really good. Yeah.
That's good.
So, really, you could do that. I make it better for me, but you. The thing is, like, you don't need to press the
Yeah.
ingredient. So just try to do.
You just like fold it.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Look at it. You scroll and then you grab here and you grab here and then you scroll.
This is coriander, right?
Yeah.
It smells so good.
Okay, now I can do.
Giấm á. Giấm. Giấm. You wanna remove that?
No.
You wanna remove?
Giấm này.
Cá người ta sắc ra người ta vắt xong người ta bỏ cái giấm á.
So yes, it's kind of.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you cooking?
Cái này gọi là gì?
Fried spring roll.
Fried spring roll.
Spring roll. Hello.
Hello.
So all these food we here. So these are all Vietnamese dishes. Made this food for all the people. Can you believe?
Really?
Yeah.
Really? Can you say it again? What did you say?
My main master chef here.
What is that?
Yeah.
If you say that you made it and then you upload this video on YouTube, so I'm going to leave you the comment. No. I'm not amazing. So you got enough chopstick? You can.
Lin cooks very good food and many dishes. Lin is also very hardworking and love cooking.
This one?
Yeah, thank you. I just do my best. I hope everyone can eat the delicious food. So I try to cook some
So what is the secret?
secret.
Yeah, how to cook?
Just I do by my heart.
Thank you very much for having us
So-
here, and thank you very much for welcoming.
Yeah.
If we fall, so we don't feel this.
Can I see the restaurant name? What is the name?
This is the name.
Yeah. So we will have this first. I wanna.
Người San Ăn and traditional food. We only have two, Khao Lâu and Mì Quảng. And the restaurants located on 29 Hồ Ngân Street. Yes, you can visit. Oh,
Yeah.
tomorrow you can visit
Yes.
to try Khao Lâu. Today we don't have Khao Lâu.
I tried this one.
Yes, only we only have Mì Quảng. You can try Khao Lâu. Another traditional food is very delicious. If this, you can use this or this kind of this is green.
Its fruit is yellow. Its fruit is yellow.
First time when I came to Vietnam, so one restaurant gave me this and some like this, all these. So I eat this. Yeah. I try to eat this.
Special.
Papa.
Special. Then we use all the vegetarian. Everyone can try anything.
Okay.
Do you want to say something?
Can you say something?
You wanna say something? We're filming, not we.
Okay. Sorry, I thought I was not sure. So thank you for welcoming us. This is a gift for your Mexican friends. So, thank you.
Come on.
Cảm ơn.
Can you say-
Yeah.
It's my pleasure to have you here today. I'm very happy and hope that in the near future we have more lectures like this in the near future.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And you? Yeah.
It just say something.
Say something?
Yeah.
Um,
In Vietnamese you.
In Vietnamese.
Yeah.
That's right, in Vietnamese. Tiếng Việt cũng được con. Tiếng Việt cũng được, con nói gì nói?
My name is Bảo Trâm. I am 11 years old. I am from Da Nang City in Vietnam.
How do you feel now? How do you feel now?
I very happy.
Yeah, yeah. Make the happy face. Yeah.
Don't get nervous. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. But
Okay.
inside you will find a present inside for you.
But don't open here.
Corn. And in the okay. Thank you.
You hungry now? You hungry now?
Like
Yes.
in the morning.
I give this. Just wait a little bit. Your sister? Your sister?
Nice to meet you.
Sister. Your sister, big sister, and brother. So your big sister, you're gonna give this for your younger
Yes,
sister.
just wait for me.
So you're gonna wait. You're gonna wait.
Yes, I will have.
Day before
Sorry.
I have
So many
so
guests.
many friends
Yeah, guests.
from
My friend.
Thank you.
other country, as you from India,
Yeah.
you also India, and two of you from Mexico. I'm very happy.
What do you think about me? I'm a good assistant today. So what?
My sister, my colleagues, my
Uh-huh.
friends, and also my companion,
Assistant.
Kind of the therapist.
Assistant.
assistant.
Yeah.
My boss, my teacher, a lot. I learned a lot from her.
Yes.
Wow.
She do
She's very-
everything
Yeah,
with
she's very
full
talented.
energy, and
Mm.
when she does some things, there are all the best of energies she have. So
She
I learned
has
a lot.
very high energy all the time.
How
Yeah.
do you know that?
Yes.
How do you know that?
Huh?
How do you know that?
I know.
You know?
Yeah.
How?
How?
Yeah.
I see.
You see it?
Yeah.
You feel that? You see the energy?
Yeah. Yeah, I see the energy.
Wow.
Try this one.
No, I want to eat this. It's too Oh my god. Hey, you have to add my Facebook like on your YouTube channel and then just contact you. Oh, okay. When you is it right?
What?
You just add my profile on the description of the YouTube channel of this video. So if you upload this video on YouTube, so you can add my Facebook or kind of the social media.
Okay,
Say,
okay.
just find her if you wanna.
Marry her.
Nah.
This and we-
No, literally, if you want,
this and this is
if you
the
want
same
a good food,
untouched.
No,
he can't cook,
It
but
can be
her
the
friends
hot
can
plate
cook.
and we can cook.
It's a good one.